In this video, we're exploring the 5 best handheld cordless vacuums for 2025. These top picks are designed for powerful suction, portability, and ease of use, making your cleaning routine quicker and more efficient than ever before. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. 5. Buture BP10 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Buture BP10 packs a punch with its powerful 450-watt brushless motor, delivering an impressive 38 kilopascal suction power. That means deep, thorough cleaning for all your surfaces. Whether you're tackling peat hair, spilled coffee beans, or everyday dust, this vacuum handles it all. With 3 adjustable suction levels, 38 kilopascal, 30 kilopascal, and 18 kilopascal, you can customize the power to fit your needs. And for those who love smart technology, the Buture BP10 won't disappoint. Its intelligent auto mode automatically adjusts suction based on your cleaning surface. Plus, the intuitive color display shows battery life and alerts you if there's a clog. The advanced anti-tangle brush and bright LED lights ensure every corner is spotless, while the 0° to 180° swivel steering makes maneuvering a breeze. The Buture BP10 comes with versatile accessories including a telescopic tube, floor brush, crevice brush, and 2-in-1 brush. Transform it from a handheld to a stick vacuum to tackle any cleaning task from floors to upholstery, stairs, and even your car. The BP10 7x2000 mAh battery offers up to 55 minutes of runtime on the lowest setting and recharges in just 4 to 5 hours. Need more time? Extra batteries are available for purchase. And with Buture's 3-year guarantee, 24/7 support and accessories replacement service, you can rest easy knowing you're covered. The Buture 38 kilopascal, 450-watt handheld cordless vacuum cleaner is your ultimate solution for a cleaner, smarter home. Number 4. Abir VC205 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Abir VIC205 packed with cutting-edge technology to make cleaning a breeze. With up to 27,000 pascal of suction power, it's designed to tackle even the toughest messes. Let's start with its standout feature, smart dust sensing technology. The VC205 uses real-time dust detection to automatically adjust suction power. It boosts the suction when it detects more dust and optimizes cleaning efficiency. The Smart Ring Detect feature is a game changer. It dynamically changes color from red to blue to visually indicate dust levels as you clean, giving you a clear view of your progress. With the ultra-big LED touchscreen, you can easily switch modes and see battery levels, cleaning status, and maintenance warnings all at your fingertips. The VC205 comes equipped with a mite removal brush that boasts a 99.9% removal rate, making it perfect for beds and upholstery. Thanks to its advanced cyclonic boost technology, this vacuum separates fur and dust from airflow, compressing them into easy-to-dispose-of balls. Plus, with active noise cancellation, it operates at under 70 dB, so it's quiet yet powerful. The VC205 includes versatile accessories like a crevice nozzle, floor brush, and soft brush, making it ideal for cleaning every corner of your home from curtains to narrow gaps, and everything in between. The LED soft roller nozzle is fantastic for collecting dust efficiently while protecting your floors from scratches. And with its LED front searchlight, you'll never miss a spot, even in the dark. Number 3. Honiture Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. The Honiture Wireless Vacuum Cleaner is not just another vacuum cleaner. With its powerful 450-watt brushless motor, it delivers an impressive suction power of up to 38,000 pascal, and with 5 adjustable gears, you can customize the power to tackle everything from dust and pet hair to cat litter and mites. Whether you're dealing with dust on your carpets, pet hair on your sofa, or even mites in your bed, the Honiture makes cleaning effortless. Its super suction power ensures a thorough clean every time. The vacuum features a removable 7 by 2000 mAh battery that fully charges in just 4 to 5 hours, giving you up to 55 minutes of continuous cleaning time. Plus, with an intelligent battery protection chip, you can count on long-lasting performance. The Honiture also boasts a large LED touchscreen that provides real-time updates on operating status, remaining power, and even alerts you to any issues like clogged brushes. It's all about keeping you informed and making maintenance a breeze. Say goodbye to frequent emptying with the 1.2-liter dust cup and the advanced 5-layer cyclone filtration system. This powerful setup separates and concentrates waste efficiently, making cleanups more convenient. And here's a feature you'll love: the anti-tangle V-shaped floor brush. Designed to prevent hair from wrapping around the rollers, it saves you time and hassle, letting you focus on cleaning. Its array of attachments, including the crevice nozzle and soft brush, ensures you can clean every nook and cranny with ease. From beds and carpets to hard-to-reach areas, this vacuum does it all. Number 2. Laresar V7 Cordless Vacuum. The Laresar V7 is making waves in 2024 with its impressive 550-watt motor, delivering a powerful suction of up to 45 kilopascal. That's enough to tackle everything from candy wrappers and pet food to dust and debris. Whether it's candy on the kitchen floor or pet hair on your sofa, the Laresar V7 makes cleaning easy and efficient. Its powerful suction ensures you can quickly and thoroughly clean all kinds of messes. The Laresar V7 comes with a removable 2200 mAh battery that provides up to 60 minutes of runtime in eco mode, and it only takes 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. The included wall mount integrates both storage and charging for maximum convenience. The Laresar V7 features a user-friendly digital touchscreen. This allows you to easily monitor and adjust the vacuum's working status and switch between 3 modes: Eco, Auto, and Max to fit your cleaning needs. The V7 also comes equipped with a motorized floor brush featuring a V-shaped drum that minimizes hair entanglement. Plus, the versatile 2-in-1 brush is perfect for various surfaces, from countertops to sofas. With its practical and efficient design, the Laresar V7 is ideal for households with pets, as it deeply removes embedded debris like cat litter and dog food crumbs. For carpets and rugs, the Max mode and powerful floor brush make vacuuming a breeze. Number 1. Xiaomi Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Xiaomi Mijia K10 is not just any vacuum cleaner. It's packed with features that make cleaning easier and more effective than ever before. First up, let's talk power. This little beast comes with a 150 watt suction power and a high-speed motor that spins at an incredible 125,000 RPM. That means it's got the power to tackle even the toughest messes. With its multi-cone cyclone separation system and quintuple filter, it's designed to capture dust as small as 0.3 micrometer. That's 5 layers of filtration, ensuring your air stays clean and fresh. One of my favorite features is the LCD high-definition color screen. It's like having a control panel for your vacuum cleaner. You can easily check the cleaning mode, battery level, and even diagnose any issues right from the screen. It automatically adjusts the suction power based on the dust level and floor type. Whether it's hardwood, tile, or carpet, this vacuum adapts to give you the best clean possible. The K10 doesn't just vacuum, it mops too. With a 250 ml water tank, it can mop your floors while it cleans, making it a true 2-in-1 powerhouse. And for those of you with big houses or long cleaning sessions, the 3000 mAh large battery gives you up to 65 minutes of runtime. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can even use it to clean your car effortlessly. The high-speed mites removal brush is designed to eliminate 99% of dust mites, making your home not just cleaner, but healthier too. There you have it, the 5 best handheld cordless vacuums for 2025. Each of these models offers a perfect balance of performance and convenience. Which one do you think is the best fit for your cleaning needs? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews. Thanks for watching.